A Lincoln County shooting death that investigators first called self-defense has just been charged as first-degree murder. Fox Files investigator Chris Hayes reveals the alleged new evidence involving a case that involves citizens have argued about for 5 years.
Brian Freddy died July 4th, 2019, shot by his brother-in-law, Russell Woods, in Moscow Mills. The previous sheriff's office posted on Facebook that it was self-defense. 5 months later, Lincoln County prosecutor Mike Wood charged him with second-degree murder.
We were able to seize a video of the actual incident. From the standpoint of the state, we did not believe that self-defense, at least to the point of deadly force, was not justified in that situation.
Key to that decision is what prosecutors say in this probable cause statement that they saw on the video, alleging, quote, the defendant smiles immediately before taking the weapon from behind his back and shooting the victim. A grand jury has now returned a first-degree murder charge based on reported new witness interviews, alleging, quote, the defendant has made comments wondering what it would be like to kill another individual, and that the defendant made threats against Brian Freddy's own life. Defendant Woods was previously free on bond on the lesser charge. Here's the victim's sister, Tricia Moore, describing the turbulent journey.
It's been a very big emotional roller coaster, from court dates to bond hearings and then cancellations of the court dates, and the suspect not spending time in jail.
Woods is now in custody on a $500,000 cash-only bond. He made his initial appearance Friday on the murder one charge and pleaded not guilty. The defendant's attorney, Paul O'Rourke, told me after court he questions whether the prosecution is seeking justice or just a conviction. He said there was trial set on the second-degree murder charge this past June, and they were ready to prove their client's innocence when suddenly that charge was dismissed and a grand jury returned a first-degree murder charge. O'Rourke pointed out we are now 5 years after the incident. Here's Prosecutor Wood's answer to late changes.
If we believed, even at any moment, that we had sufficient evidence to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that this was a murder one and not a murder two, then we need to proceed on that murder one. And if that's what it takes, that's what it takes.
And that evidence came late in the game?
Yes.
Next week, a bond hearing where we may hear from witnesses and see the video. For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.
Now, the defendant's co-counsel also reached out late today, saying she believes the video will prove her client's innocence, adding that there are many intriguing questions, including, quote, the state has indicated in previous hearings on the record that they have no intention of calling the lead detective in this case or the medical examiner or the toxologist. All of these witnesses will be testifying for the defense.